The markets are about to punish greedy traders, guys. If you are a greedy trader, watch out for this one. Today is the 1st of August. The 1st of August, a lot of news in the market. Sorry, let's just scroll down a bit and we just go to the 1st of August. That's what's happening today. There's a lot of news. Or maybe I do you one better. And thanks to this new facility in MT5, where you can actually get your calendar with your MT5. Or if your broker does not offer you the news calendar in your MT5 or MT4 platform, then you might as well sign up with my broker. The link is in the description box below. Very easy to sign up. Deposit as minimum as $10, and you can actually get deposits. They offer various competitions and stuff. Withdrawals, no problems with withdrawals. I've been with them for more than 5 years now. I've never had problems with deposits and withdrawals. So sign up with them. The link will be in the description box below. So going back to the subject of our video today, the market is going to punish you today if you are a greedy trader, somebody who does not know when it's enough, when to stay out of the market, doesn't know how to follow their own strategy. So here's what's happening in the market, by the way. Maybe let's start here. For example, there's all this news that's coming up that has happened today, a lot of news, but let's just make life simpler for us by just filtering out the news. Where am I? 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 I wanted to start with the first, where it says 1st of August. Yes. So we have a lot of news that has been coming out. So what we're going to do now is to just filter out news. So on your MT5, what you do, if you don't want the low impact news, sometimes it just gets boring. You don't want that. So what you do is you can filter out here by right clicking here, right click, filter priority, and you go to priority. You can see it's checked on all events, so it's providing you all news events. So what we're going to do is we are going to actually uncheck holidays, and we're going to go back, right click priority, and we're going to go priority and check low impact news. Now we are left with only the high impact news. Some of the high impact, medium and high impact news has happened already. So now we're just going to filter out. What I usually do sometimes also is just focus on the high impact news. So how do we do that? Again, go back to priority, right click, and come and uncheck. So you click medium. Now we are left with only the high impact news that is left. So today, what we are looking out for is non-farm payrolls that usually happen the first Friday of every month, and gives us a direction on where we are going to go in terms of trading the dollar and gold, metals like gold and silver. I'm a big trader on gold, silver, as well as oil, as well as currencies, mostly dollar based pairs, Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD. Those are my cup of cake. I don't trade all those funny other currencies. So, yeah. Now, what you notice if you go back to your charts, if you go to your charts, let's just do this, is for example, Euro USD has been in a range, has been in a range since when? Let's just check here. Run about since 2 days ago. 2 days ago. 2 days ago until today, it has just been in a range. Why? Because people are not stupid. Because people are not stupid. They know on the 1st of August there's going to be major news that can either push Euro USD this way or can actually drop it down this way. That's what everyone else is waiting for. But what are you doing? Somebody is busy loading, trading right now as we speak because they just can't resist trading. They just can't resist the idea of, let me just make another dollar, let me just make another 100, let me just make another. You will get bent. The market always punishes greedy traders. Know when to get in the markets, know when to stay out of the markets. And at this point, this should be your indication that maybe let's just stay out of the market until this major news pass. Then you can come back and sweep everyone else who has been trying to trade the news or trying to trade ahead of the news. Of course, there are people out there who tell you that they've got strategies on predicting the news, the direction, and stuff. Trust me, those people, what they don't tell you is they win some, they lose some, and they only usually show you what they get away with. It's the name of the game. So, what I would advise is ahead of the news, stay out of the market. Wait for the news to happen. Wait for the news to happen. I already showed you Euro USD is in a range here. I think if you check the other currencies as well, they are in a range. Why are people not trading? Because they are waiting for the news to hit first before they can decide on what to do. Why would you think you are clever, more clever than them, and want to trade this? The market always punishes greedy traders. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. If you're looking for a broker, see the links in the description box below.